Hey bag lovers! Welcome back to my channel. Finally, today is the day that I'm going to unbox my first Louis Vuitton bag. So, let's get this started! So yeah, before we start, I want to give you a bit of a background. So as you know, I am about to give birth to my second child. And my second pregnancy journey is super difficult. So I don't have proper sleep since the new year and a lot of uncomfortable stuff. So name it, I'm experiencing it. So yeah, that's when I thought that I would want to buy myself and reward myself with an LV bag because I think I'm doing a great job being a woman this time. But if you know me, you know I'm very thrifty, so I haven't think of buying myself a luxury bag. But yeah, because of my journey, I think I deserve it this time. But, to my surprise, when we were already in the store, my husband insisted to pay for it for me instead. How cool is that? So technically, this is his push gift and wedding anniversary gift for me already. So I'm very grateful. But of course, he told me that if I still want to buy myself something from LV, I can do so because he is also aware that if I want something, I always want to earn it by myself, by my own hard work with my own money. So yeah, independent woman represent. But yeah, I'm super grateful to my hubby. Thank you very much. I appreciate it so much. And I super love my first LV bag that I am about to show to you just in a while. So about this offer, I think I have to think about that again. Because of course I want to savor my first LV bag. But again, thank you so much to my hubby. You're the best. Though I'm not sure if he'll be able to watch this because he does not watch my vlogs, especially if it's about bags. Time to reveal what's inside. Beautiful box. So for paper bag, let's move it here for now so you can see this beautiful box better. Oh, by the way, I want to share with you that this paper bag, this beautiful paper bag, also comes with two cute perfume sampler, and it smells so good, super good. Yeah. So let's get into the box. This is my first time to unbox this bag. So what do you have here? We have here a cute envelope that comes with a receipt. So yeah, this is where the receipt, yeah, there. So let's put it back. And then you also have, I think this is a gift card. Let's see what it is. Oh yeah. So this is where you can actually put your message, I guess. Is this? Yeah, it's just a black envelope, small envelope with a small special paper as well. So if it's a gift, you can put your message there. But since I am already with my hubby when we purchased this, no need for that. So yeah. And let's untie the ribbon. So the box is magnetic. So the first that you'll see when you open the box is the beautiful dust bag. So now that we are about to open the actual bag, let me put on my gloves. Wow. Well, this is my first, so yeah, I wanna definitely take care of it. Let's do this. There. Here it is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's remove the dust bag and I'm gonna reveal it to you. What's inside? Oh my god, so beautiful. It is. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so cute. So it is an LV Croisette in Damier Ebene. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look at that. Oh my god. I'm super excited to use this. Wow, it's so beautiful. Alright, actually this also comes with a cute tassel. Let me also put it. So, oh, the strap also comes with a dust bag. Nice. Let's just put it aside for a while. This is the tassel. This is the cute tassel. And you have an option to put it here or here. So I think I'm going to put it where? Here. Let's put it here. See, I'll just put it later. I'm afraid that I might damage it. So yeah, here's this strap that also comes with a dust bag. Let's open it. There. So this is how it looks like. It's a smooth leather. I actually want to preserve this because it looks very fragile. So I might buy a generic strap for the LV, but it still depends. So yeah. And a twilly to protect the top handle strap as well. So there. And then I also want to show you the interior of this Louis Vuitton Croisette. So you just have to push it here to open. Oh, very easy to open. And it has beautiful red interior, and look how spacious is that bag, right? So I might film a separate video on what fits inside. So for me, literally, when I was trying on a lot of Louis Vuitton bags there, this bag got me with heartbeat. So I really thought that, oh, this is the one for me, because look at that. It got all the checks that I want for my first Louis Vuitton bag. Number one is that it's in classic brown, the Damier Ebene, there, print. Because there are a lot of new prints for Louis Vuitton. But of course, since this is my first LV bag, I want to have the classic or the most famous print first. So yeah, I'm very happy with that. And then number two, look how sassy is the overall look. You know how much I love Kate Spade, right? And look at this bag. It looks like a Louis Vuitton with the Kate Spade touch. Very bright, very cute, very chic, right? So that's number two. Number three is its functionality. As you can see, as I showed you a while ago, it's very spacious. So definitely my essentials will fit in here. And you can use it as a top handle bag or a cross body bag. So yeah, it's very functional. Yeah, I just super love everything about it, and I am excited to use it as well. So if you like this unboxing with some tips video, Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Tixie, and see you on our next episode. Bye! Love bags, love Lucy. Follow us and don't forget to like and subscribe. For more luxury unboxing, please subscribe to Love Lucy channel. See you there!